Hey class, today before we get started on our assignment, we are going to get organized. One of the bad things about online learning is that normally in face-to-face, the teacher would print off a worksheet or notes or graphic organizer, and we would hand it to you and you would work on it and then put it in your binder or turn it in, and that's just not possible in the online world. We don't have binders and we can't hole punch things and hold on to pieces of paper. I guess you could technically print things if you have a printer at home, if you're lucky enough to have a printer at home. I am not. So I have to use my Google Drive to keep myself organized. And you might laugh when you see my Google Drive because it's pretty messy right now, but I'm working on it. So I'm going to show you how to set up some folders in your Google Drive if you have not done that already in another class. I know that in Mr. Pennington's class, you guys were working on that, and maybe in a couple of other classes as well. So I'm going to show you very quickly and easily how to do that. First off, you're just going to pull up a Google page from Chrome. Make sure that you're in your school account right here. It should say your username at student.aisd.net. If you're not, then you need to add that account or move to that account. And then you're going to go here to your little 9-square waffle Google Apps, and you're going to open your Drive. Not Google Docs, you're going to go open your Drive. Google Docs is a tool you can use in Google Drive. It's Google Slides is a tool you can use in Google Drive, but we want to go to the actual Drive. This is like your binder or your backpack, and this is where we're going to store things, but I've seen some 7th grade binders and backpacks, and it's pretty messy. So we're going to actually get organized with it. So what I want you to do is you're going to, right here where it says new, you're going to click on that, and you're going to create a new folder. And you're going to name your folder whatever class period you have for English. So if you have 3rd period English, I want you to name it 3rd period English. And yes, I do want you to put the period number. Yes, I do want you to put the name of the class. You can actually make a folder for all of your class periods if that would help. But we are definitely going to be storing some things in 3rd period English and doing some work in 3rd period English. So it's a good place for you to keep up with everything so it doesn't get real messy. And then you just hit create. And mine's down here at the bottom, because I have a lot of folders, as you can tell. But from now on, anything that I give you, anything that you need to hold on to for English class that's in Google Drive, you'll just put it right there in 3rd period English or 4th period or 5th period English or 7th period or 8th period, whatever period you have, my class. All right, if you have questions, make sure to let me know either in the live lesson on Tuesday, Thursday, or send me an email, a remind message, smoke signal, whatever you have to do, okay?